From average to A with ChatGPT's Study and Learn mode. ChatGPT just released a brand new feature called Study and Learn mode, and it's a total game changer. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it does, how to turn it on, and why every student should be using it. Plus, I'll give you a real example side by side so you can see the difference between using ChatGPT with and without this feature. Let's unlock the power of AI for your studies and help you go from average to A. Let's get started. Let's jump into a quick demo. We've prepared two examples to compare. In the first screen, we'll activate Study and Learn mode by clicking on Tools, then selecting Study and Learn. In the second screen, we'll keep that feature turned off. Now, we'll ask the same question in both. Help me find the value of x in the equation 2x1 equals 0. As you can see in the first example, ChatGPT walks the student through the solution step by step, asking for input along the way. This helps the student better understand the logic behind the equation. On the other hand, in the second screen, ChatGPT gives the final answer right away, without any explanation or interaction. This clearly shows how Study and Learn mode helps students think critically, stay engaged, and really grasp the concepts, not just get the answer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you found this helpful, and let me know what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.